sets used to be so different, no, back then.
Oh yeah, I truly believe so. Somebody asked me about this recently when I was doing Hera Fairy. He said, "How was it working with Neeraj Joshi?" So Neeraj was a brilliant writer.
Okay.
So Priyan used to use him to write all his scripts in Hindi, and Neeraj Bhai was like something with a very straight sense of humor. So one day he told me, "अरे सुरेश तेरे को ना थोड़ा पेट कम करना पड़ेगा, है ना? Why don't you do one thing? मैं रोज करता हूँ. Climb up the floors to your house." I said, "Ah, that's a good idea." मैं रोज करता हूँ. Then suddenly, I stay in the ground floor, he said. That was sense of humor. So on the sets, like Anis Bazmi, even today, they all used to come to the sets. They used to have the scenes clear in their mind. I said, without homework, they come.
Yeah.
And they'll keep on changing on the set. So comedy mein, sometimes you see the vibe and you
Exactly.
change it.
Yeah.
It becomes
Exactly.
very funny.
Yeah.
But now it's become more corporate. So your slides are there. Slides are some one piece of paper which comes. Suresh Menon required on the set at 12 o'clock. Make up this thing. Ready on set at so and so time.
Yeah.
This
This
is
is
Suresh
homework.
को बुलाना.
Yeah, I feel like there was a lot of more wiggle room back then to
Yeah.
improvise on the spot, and I think
Yeah.
that was like the true art of it, because
Yeah.
you could see the true personality of the actor that even embodied that character.
Like I remember Akshay Kumar was talking
Exactly.
about that scene.
Bhagam
He's like,
Bhag.
"Ha Rupa Nahalia."
Exactly.
That was improvised. Ha Rupa Nahalia, and it's the funniest thing.
Yeah.
Right?
See,
Now-
but all of them have got such different persona. Like Priyadarshan
Yes.
will come and say, "You know your lines." That's the first thing. Yes, sir. Okay. Action. Then you say, "आप कहाँ गए थे? Hey, why are you acting? You have to just say your lines." And I'll say, "आप कहाँ गए थे?"
Yeah.
Now see the difference.
Yes.
And suddenly you say, "Damn it, I performed."
That's
so,
overacting in this acting.
Yeah, so they say, "Don't act, just say the lines." You remember your lines, come in the sets and say the lines. Like Anis Bhai will say, "यार थोड़ा नमक डाल." David sir will say, "थोड़ा नमक डाल, नमक नहीं है इसमें, करना कुछ और करना."
And you can really see it's all distinct, huh? Like if I
Correct.
see like a David Dhawan movie compared to
Yeah.
say another director's movie, like a Sanjay Leela Bhansali movie, like the
Worlds apart, worlds apart.
world of a
Difference,
difference.
Yeah. So,
It's not. I feel like I'm offended.
No,
you with
not
that.
at all, not at all. So Sanjila Bansal, no, not at all. Not at all. So
Yeah.
these are very planned guys who have got their whole vision in there.
Yeah.
So they're like those guys who are looking at you, but they're looking at the background.
Yeah,
They
and the
know-
bigger picture.
Bigger picture, and they're seeing colors, aise lagna chahiye and all that stuff. So that he's a full-on art.
He's very visual.
Visually is very strong.
yeah.
But David sir, you go and tell him कि cameraman goes, "Sir, इसको अभी ट्रॉली में लगाऊं, जिमी जिम में लगाऊं." अरे कॉमेडी कर रहे यार, चुपचाप रहे, ब्लॉक होना चाहिए, पब्लिक को समझ में नहीं आएगा, तू कैमरा से ऐसा मत कर यार.
Yeah.
But and so true, so many films of his, so funny. Govinda,
Yeah,
Shakti
yeah.
Kapoor and the Kader Saab was, I mean, such funny scenes. Like
And
today,
the retention, like even today, I can watch it and I can laugh.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And simple. Nothing.
Very
और
simple.
stupidity.
Yes.
कभी भी खाने में क्या है? इसका कितना दूं? अच्छा मैं अभी आता हूँ.
That was the true meaning of what being filmy meant.
Yeah.
You see these film buffs now, like that are like your age, my dad's age, and they're still filmy, at
Yeah.
heart.
Yeah, absolutely. Because I think there's a lot of joy in filmmaking those days. I'm sure it is still there. But when you see the stuff that's on air, I'm not a prude, by the way. But sometimes, after sometimes, all this, it sounds good when
Yeah.
you're saying
Huh.
it. But then after that, you don't want to see it on a big screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to see a Yash Chopra film. You want to see a Karan Johar film. You want to see some romance. All those things have gone out of the window. If there's a
True.
romance today, the boyfriend has probably killed the girl.
Yeah, it's very
And then he's saying कि मुझे प्यार था इसके लिए मैंने मारा.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
True.
we often talk about this. How like now films are just feeling soulless.
Yeah.
It feels like first of all, the reason why my dad also like distanced himself from the industry was because he was like, I don't want to. If I'm making the costume, I want to talk to the director. I don't want to talk to some stylist that will talk to some designer that will talk to some other person. He wants to be in the process, and that process was lost. So he said, no, I want to distance myself. This is not what I signed up for. And that's what I was thinking. Like too many cooks will spoil the soup.
100%. That's what is happening because like South is doing it very well now.
Okay.
Especially Malayalam films, even Gujarati films are caught up. So their filmmaking is so different.
Yeah, even Marathi movies for that
Marathi
matter.
films also. Great films have come. We all grew up watching black and white Marathi films.
Yeah.
So when I meet Maharashtrians and tell them about the films that I watched, they say, तुला कशाला माहिती आहे रे? दूरदर्शन मध्ये तेच होतं ना. शनिवारी मराठी फिल्म, संडे रविवारी हिंदी फिल्म्स. आणखीन काय? So
Yeah.
they said, "Ah, yeah, but you know so many actors." So I learned a lot from Dilip Prabhavalkar sir, Chiman Rao. That time there used to be a show called Chiman Rao, where
Okay.
he used to play this Charlie Chaplin-esque with this
Oh.
mustache, but full Maharashtrian background.
Yeah.
Okay.
मोर्या गाढव काय करतो तू इकडे बस तिकडे बसलेला आहे ना तू असा बात करताय ती मॅच खेळूया आपण क्रिकेट खेळूया नो सो हिज व्हॉइस वॉज लाईक दॅट आय स्टार्टेड इमिटेटिंग हिम
Oh.
अँड सो मच ऑफ जॉय सो when you see some great performances, great stories, and great stories, there were some mind-blowing stories. When I tell Maharashtrians about those stories that I've seen and what they, अपने को याद नहीं तेरे को इससे याद है मुझे सब याद है because you maybe I was meant to be in the industry and
I was about to say, because the passion with which you even like impersonate people, it just shows how
yeah, I
How
got
much
the
you love
ability to
it.
go into that face, you know, you
Yeah.
become that face at that time because I'm imagining that character saying those lines.
Yeah.
You become the face, and then it
Yeah.
becomes very easy.
Hi guys, if you like this clip, you can watch the entire episode at We Are Besharam on YouTube, or you can also check the link in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all the jazz, and I'll see you in the comments, okay? Bye!